నమస్కారం. నా పేరు డాక్టర్ స్వర్ణ మంగళంపల్లి. శరన్నవరాత్రుల సందర్భంగా వాగ్దేవి ఆర్ట్స్ అకాడమీ కార్యక్రమాల కోసం ప్రార్థన పాడటానికి నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. గజాననం భూతగణాది సేవితం కపిత్త జంబూ ఫల సారభక్షితం ఉమాసుతం శోక వినాశ కారణం నమామి విఘ్నేశ్వర పాద పంకజం. ధిమి ధిమి ధిమ్ ధిమి ధిమ్ ధిమి 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 దుందుభినాద సుపూర్ణమతే ఘుమ ఘుమ కుంఘుమ ఘుం కుమ 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 శంఖనినాద సువాద్యనుతే వేద పురాణ ఇతిహాస సుపూజిత వైదిక మార్గ ప్రదర్శయుతే జయ జయ హే మధుసూదన కామిని ధనలక్ష్మి రూపేణ పాలయ మాం 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 పాలయ మాం పాలయ మాం పాలయ మాం పాలయ మాం పాలయ మాం పాలయ మాం.
Namaskar. Welcome to the second day of Lasya Anjali. The previous performances were genuinely motivated to us. I trust everyone liked it. I am Sri Nartana, little girl and disciple of Guru Srimati and Sri Sandhya Pavan Garu, founders of Vagdevi Arts Academy, Hyderabad. I am studying in 9th grade. I have partaken in various occasions along my master at public and worldwide levels. I have comment on Perni Natyam, Andhra Natyam and Kuchipudi styles of dance. Indeed, even I have the fundamental information on violin. I have acted in a few Telugu daily serials and furthermore assumed a lead function in the film named Nartana, which was delivered by Srimati and Sri Sandhya Pavan Garu. Mahalakshmi is the goddess who leads to one's goal or lakshya and was the first mentioned in the Sri Sukta of the Rig Veda. She is the goddess of wealth, fortune, love, beauty, yogamaya, joy and prosperity. As you all know that this 3-day event is dedicated to 3 different temples of Trishakti. Today we are offering our prayers to Sri Raja Rajeshwari Devi, Sri Chakrapeetham, Rampalli, Hyderabad.
Welcome to Sri Chakrapeetham. I am Shrudev Sharma and this is Sri Chakrapeetham. Sri Chakrapeetham was established in 2012. It is located in Rampalli, Hyderabad, Telangana. In Sri Chakrapeetham, we have 3 idols: Lord Lakshmi Ganpati, Lord Dakshinamurti with Shivalinga. Rajarajeshwari Devi. The main attraction of Sri Chakrapeetham is Devi Rajarajeshwari and Sri Chakra. We have placed 1000 Sri Chakra yantras under the idol Rajarajeshwari Devi, and hence the name Sahasra Sri Chakrapeetham Sri Rajarajeshwari.
This is the Yagashala. During the Rasha Navaratri, we conduct Kumkumachana every day. This is the library. This is the Annaprasada Shala. This is the Sri Chakra Gopura, one of the biggest project of our Peetham.
Today's performers are Mrs. Anita Peter, Mohiniyattam, Miss Nishraya Varalakshmi, Bharatanatyam, Mrs. Priyanka Bharade, Marathi Gondal. Anita Peter is an eminent Mohiniyattam dancer. She is a disciple of Mohiniyattam exponent Karnataka, Kerala, Kalasri, Srimati Sridevi Unni, Monisha Arts, Bengaluru. Learning under the tutelage of her guru, Anita has performed for prestigious dance festivals and stages for over 19 years. She is the founder of Lasya Dhruta, Center for Performing and Fine Arts, Hyderabad, established in 2015. Her guru continues to guide her through the path envisioned for Lasya Dhruta. She is a Grade B Mohiniyattam dancer by the National Broadcast Television, Doordarshan, and qualified to apply Grade A.
Namaskaram. A very happy Navaratri to all our viewers, our audience. I'm Anita Peter, and I thank Vagdevi Arts Academy for bringing us this beautiful celebration with an array of different dance forms over 3 days. With the blessings of my Guru, Karnataka and Kerala Kalashri, Srimati Sridevi Unni, I will be performing Mahalakshmi Ashtagam, taken from the Padma Puranas. An Ashtagam has 8 verses. In the first verse, it will be a praise of the goddess. The second verse, the goddess on the Garuda as her vehicle, who is feared by Kolasura, the goddess who destroys sin. A salutation to Goddess Lakshmi. The third verse speaks about the one who gives different blessings or boons to all equally. And those who are wicked fear the goddess who removes sadness from the mind and hearts of everyone who prays to her. The fourth verse speaks about the goddess who gives skills and knowledge to all and who is also experienced through mantras. The fifth verse speaks about the goddess who is indeed a continuity, born through yogic power. We salute the goddess Lakshmi. The sixth verse speaks about the goddess who destroys great sin, the goddess in the form of Durga. The seventh verse speaks about the goddess who is seated in a beautiful lotus, symbolic to purity. The eighth verse speaks about the goddess who is adorned with jewelry and is so beautiful. The goddess who is like a mother cradling the universe. Blessings from the goddess, the strength of the goddess. I perform Mahalakshmi Ashtagam, sung by Vidwan Trishur Ramachandran in Ragamalika, Talamadi, and choreographed by me. Enjoy the performance.
महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुर भयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुर भयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मन्त्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मन्त्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्ति महेश्वरी योगदे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्ति महेश्वरी योगदे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते स्थूलसूक्ष्म महारौद्रे महाशक्ति महोदरे महापापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते स्थूलसूक्ष्म महारौद्रे महाशक्ति महोदरे महा महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्म स्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्माते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्म स्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्माते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते श्वेतांबरधरे देवी नानालंकार भूषिते जगस्थिते जगन्माते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते श्वेतांबरधरे देवी नानालंकार भूषिते जगस्थिते जगन्माते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for your performance. I like to introduce the second performer of the day, Nishriya Varalakshmi. She is an Bharatanatyam artist and currently pursuing a diploma in Bharatanatyam. She is the disciple of Guru Kesavaraja Balakrishnan. She completed her Ranga Pravesham in 2018. Also participated in AIDA Billai 2019 and 2020 and secured A grade with first position in senior category. Her other performances include Nadani Rajanam, Tyagaya TV, Doordarshan and many more. She is honored with the titles Natya Tendral, Kalai Balaramani, Natya Mayuri, etc. I request Miss Nishriya Varalakshmi to begin a performance.
Namaskaram. I am going to perform Kalikautvam by Gangai Muthu Natwana. It's a dance of Kali with Nadraja in front of a sage like Narada, Tumburu, Patanjali and Vyagrapada. Nandi beats the Mridangam. All devas are there to watch their dance. It is said in Raga, Bauli and set to Tal Kandam. I am going to perform Kalikautvam.
Nandini
Thank you, Varalakshmi. The last performer of the day is Priyanka Varade. She is a BE graduate and is working as a senior system architect in the IT field. With her gurus able to tutelage, she performed her Kuchipudi Rang Pravesham in the divine presence of late Padma Shri Dr. Shobha Naidu Garu. She is a distinguished holder in Kuchipudi Diploma and pursuing her post-graduation in Kuchipudi. Being from Maratha background, she is also trained in Maharashtra Gondal dance, one of the most influenced dance form in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu since the period of Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje, which ignited devotion, patriotism in the Hindus. She is the founder, director of Sri Hiranmai Kuchipudi Nrityalaya in Hyderabad. She and her academy students perform all over India. Some of her notable awards are Nritya Vilasini, Nritya Kala Sampurna, Nritya Pragalbhati, Jeevan Gaurav Award and Indian Leadership Samati Award 2018.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Varade, founder of Sri Hiranmai Kuchipudi Nrityalaya. Today I am going to perform Marathi Gondal dance. Marathi Gondal dance is a very famous dance form in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The Gondal dance has a reference in Nritta Ratnavali written by Jayapa Senani, who was the commander-in-chief of the king of Warangal. This book was written in 1240. The impact of Gondal dance and Gondal songs was such that Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje himself used to perform these Gondal performances in front of Tulja Bhavani in Pratapgarh. This dance form has been a source of energy, inspiration and patriotism for the Maratha army, and many of the Gondal performers were appointed a part of Maratha army, who were also serving the army as fighters. The dress up consists of the forehead completely smeared with turmeric or kumkum, which is a representation of being a devotee of Tulja Bhavani. They also wear necklaces made of shells, or they call it as Kaudimal. The item that I am going to perform today is Udega Ambe Ude, which is a dedication to Tulja Bhavani. It is in praise of the 9 forms of Tulja Bhavani. Having my roots from Maharashtra, I proudly present Marathi Gondal dance to you all. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you so much. The main feature of Marathi Gondal dance is the instrument called tuntun, which is used throughout the song, which gives the base of the music. The Gondal songs are usually on Tulja Bhavani, Amba Bhavani and Renuka Mata. Later on, these songs came in praise of Chhatrapati Shivaji Raje, Tattaji Shinde, Malhar Rao Holkar, Baji Rao and many more heroes of the Maratha army. I am accompanied by Gondhalis from Pune who have been performing Gondal, and they go to every Maharashtrian house and sing the glory of Tulja Bhavani during this Navaratri. So especially for Navaratri, Gondal dance is one of the main features of Maharashtrian culture.
Bye.
proud to represent Maharashtra, being from Maharashtrian origin. And though I am a trained Kuchipudi dancer under the tutelage of Guru Shri Dr. P. Ramadevi Garu, I am here presenting Maharashtrian Gondhal dance. It is there in our blood, serving to Tulja Bhavani.
I sincerely thank Pawan Kumar sir from Vagdevi Arts Academy for inviting me to perform in this dance festival named as Lasyanjali as a celebration of Navaratri through dance. My best wishes for the Academy's success and future events.
Thank you. Your performances really influenced each of us, and I even want to thank on the behalf of Vagdevi Arts Academy to all our viewers for making the second day a resounding success. I hope you all will be connected with us for the next day. Stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.